heck is a credit score and how do these things work anyway? Hey, it's your buddy, it's your mortgage guy, Jamie Millizer. Thanks for checking in. Hey, we wanted to do this one quick because there is a ton of misinformation and a ton of confusion about what credit scores are, how they work, what your score might be, is that score good enough, how do I get my score better, all this kind of stuff. It's just a whole whirlwind of misinformation, not good news. So first of all, let's talk about the confusion piece. Where does it come from? It's coming from the internet, it's coming from radio, it's coming from your friends and family. Seems like a lot of people don't know. 12 years a mortgage banker, trust me, I don't even want to know about credit, but what I do know, kind of a joke. So you have to prepare yourself, because unfortunately in the world we live in now, credit score is a pretty big part of the quality of life you're going to have. So you should get your hands wrapped around it as much as possible, and me and my team, we're always here to help you with that. Let's start by talking about credit score range. The range of credit scores goes from 350 to 850. Now, keep in mind, anything over a 740 credit score, you're aces. You're getting anything you want, as long as your income covers it, at a great market rate. At 620 or higher, you're buying a house. And truth be told, looking at credit, like I said, for 12 years, I haven't ever seen a score actually get generated under 420, so where they get the 350 thing, I'm not sure. Now, what I do know, and I've heard this from some credit pros, is there are 35 different equations on how scores are derived. That being said, I also learned that the mortgage industry only uses 8 of those 35. So what does that mean? That means if you go to your credit union and apply for a credit card, you might have a score that's 60 points higher or 60 points lower than somebody at a mortgage shop. Something that you really have to keep your eye on. That can get a little bit tricky. Now, just some quick Credit 101, real basic stuff. There are 3 major credit repositories: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The issue with these 3 repositories is they don't talk to one another. They just generate their own score and put that on your report. So if you have issues with any particular creditor or trade line, you're going to have to dispute that or cover that with all 3 of the repositories, or at least the number of repositories that that particular trade line is reporting to. Now, being a full-service mortgage boutique, we are always here to help our clients in credit consultations, credit repair, credit maintenance, anything we can do as far as advice or consultations in regard to helping you get your credit to where you need to be so you can have a better quality of life. Hey, keep in mind, it's not that hard. As long as your credit score is higher than your cholesterol, you're doing all right. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Jamie Millizer, always save me, Jack on your shack.
Hey, follow me on Twitter